Okay, introduce yourself.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning, good afternoon. I'm Norma Perper. I'm four, I'm 48 years old. I'm working experience here in Hong Kong for 18 years.
How many employers?
Uh, six six employers, ma'am.
And then this is your sixth employer.
Yes, ma'am.
And then you work for how many years for the last employer?
My last employer, ma'am, I'm working 1 year and 1 month, ma'am.
And then they terminated you.
Terminate me, ma'am, yesterday.
What is the reason?
The reason, ma'am, the new maid coming
From Philippines?
from Philippines,
Oh.
ma'am.
So, do you know how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, I know, ma'am, how to cook Chinese foods like the steamed fish, fried vegetable, fried pork, fried fish,
How about the long soup?
long soup, ma'am, tong
Yes.
kwatong, like
Red,
sa-
red and green carrots, you know.
yes, ma'am, red carrots and green carrots, sayang choy with almond, sweet dates and pork, ma'am.
And you know how to go to the market to buy all this stuff?
I know, ma'am, everything to go to market.
Okay. So, how about if your employer will have young children? Do you want to take care of them?
I like very much, ma'am, especially the children.
You love children, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What can you promise to your future employer?
I promise, ma'am, I cooking, take care the baby, take care the
All
house,
around household.
all
Yeah.
around,
Like cleaning,
like cleaning,
washing, ironing.
ironing, cooking.
You can manage to do without supervision?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you
Bye-bye.
very much.